Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Today is March 14, 2019. Let's go and take a look at the market. This is the midday market update. Let's go and take a look at the oil market is up 24 cents. The gold coming down is down a whopping $13. And the Dow Jones Industrial kind of struggling, try to stay on the positive territory. It's up 10 point at 25,713. The S&P 500 is down just about a point at 2,809. The Nasdaq 100 is down less than a point at 7,257. Russell 2000 is down a little bit over 3 point at 1,552. Nasdaq Composite down less than a point. It's almost like break even at 7,643. And the Dow Jones Transportation is down 22 point at 10,344. Okay, and looking at the graph, let me open that up. Kind of struggling. You can see that the market is a little bit kind of struggling here, not doing one way or the other. And the up down ratio is 1.27. The up down volume, the down volume is been basically dominated, but not much to write home about. Same thing in the Nasdaq market. The up down ratio is 1.01. minus 1.01, so it's like pretty much neutral. And the Russell is minus 1.55. And even the advanced decline, although it opened up pretty much went down negative in the first hour, but kind of seems to be trying to get back above the positive territory. Right now the decliner is only leading the advancer by a margin of 210 issues in the New York Stock Exchange, and the Nasdaq is decliner leading the advancer by 442 issue. And even the cumulative tick is not much happening there, although it's negative, but not much of a negative there. And same with the Nasdaq, is also running negative. And looking at the ES, the S&P E-mini future, you can see that the open auction in range kind of chop around and then went and took out the overnight low, came back into the range. Right, so right now it's kind of hovering, took out the IB high, kind of hovering inside the lower end of the range, the previous range, and also inside the IB range. I'm kind of looking for a new LOD for today, and kind of tell you why later on. But let's finish off looking at this here. The NQ, same thing, open in range, open auction in range, and then chop around, took out the overnight low, came up, peak a little bit above the IP high, came back in, sitting inside at the lower half of previous range and inside the IP range. All right, so kind of boring, but nevertheless, it's moving. And let's take a look at the ES. So the ES is just still trying to get above this, this area here, 2820. Try to stay above this balance zone and sitting above this inside of this channel here. And again, it still have to make a decision. Is it going to come up to this 2865 resistance, or is it going to come back down to this 2736 and a half and possibly break that and come down to the 2677? Right? But right now it's kind of waiting for something to happen. And looking at the market profile is putting an inside day right now. What is that on the candlestick? Yeah, it is an inside day so far, and it is putting an inside day, but the point of control is moving down. And like I said, I'm looking for this thing to come down and take out that low later on. And in the market profile is also kind of, just kind of hovering. Took out the yesterday's point of control. Looking at these down here. So let's go and look at the daily, get a little bit of of a close-up look. So far the high is clean. Took out yesterday's point of control here, and right now I'm looking to take out this IB low from yesterday, and also the IB low is open right now, although it did take out the IB high. So I'm looking for this thing to come down and possibly take out this 2803.25, the poor high from couple days ago. Right, and also looking at the volume profile, it could that the we might have seen the HOD already, but looking here on the LOD, it's just kind of snap back here, and right now it's kind of tracing it back down. So I'm kind of thinking that it will come down and take out the overnight low again, and test the IB low, and possibly take out the IB low. Right. So, and let me go and put up the SPY, and we can take a look at the SPY. Let me go back, look at the SPY here. So the SPY is still trying to stay inside of this channel. It's kind of just hovering this channel here, right? You know, this intermediate channel. And notice that I have the daily volume profile on these guys on the SPY, and there are a couple of the naked point of control that need to be taken care of. And this one on top, so if it's gonna bounce, then the likelihood is gonna come up to take out that 283 area. But if it come back down to below, break the channel, then I'm looking at this here. All right, let me see if I get the value on there. Well, might not see it so clear because it's behind those candlestick. I think this is 279.81. I think that's the number there. All right, and then there's a 278.52, I think. All right, so, and this one up here, I don't know where this one goes. They go way back. Yeah, that's way back here somewhere. All right, that's back in October. So I mean this one here, yeah, this one is back in October also. Right, October 10. Alright, so basically I'm looking for this thing to come down. I know some people was very eager to see that, but hey, market will do what it's gonna do. Right, so looking for this here, 279, 280. Look at somewhere at the 280. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully it's a little bit informative. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. So let me know. And if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure to click on that bell icon to get, so that you will get notified whenever I'm planning or about to do a live update or upload a new video to my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you for watching, and good luck on your trading, and have a great day.